Ma'am Feli Aguilar Aborquez. For today, we will discuss and learn what are the linguistic, ethnic, traditions, provinces, and cities of Region 4, known as the Calabar Zone.
Calabar Zone are divided into 5 provinces and 22 cities: Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Quezon, Rizal, and the one highly urbanized city, Lucena. And 22 cities of Calabar Zone are Antipolo, Bacoor, Batangas City, Binyan, Cabuyao, Calaca, Calamba, Carmona, Cavite City, Dasmariñas, General Trias, Imus, Lipa, San Pablo, San Pedro, Santa Rosa, Santo Tomas, Tagaytay, Tanaunan, Tayabas, Tres Martires.
Let us know the history of the 5 provinces of Calabarzon.
Number 1, Batangas. First come to be known as Bonbon. It was named after the mythical and fascinating Taal Lake, which also originally called Bonbon. And number 2 is Cavite. Cavite was known as mooring place for Chinese junk, trading that come to trade with the settlement around Manila Bay. And next is Laguna. Laguna was one of the 8 provinces to rise in revolt against the Spanish. Laguna is one of the early engagement of the revolution was the Battle of Sambat in Pasanjan. Next is Quezon Province. Quezon Province, known as Caliraya, Calilayan, was the first known name of the provinces upon its creation in 1591. Around the middle of 18th century, it was changed to Tayabas in recognition of second president of the Philippines, Manuel L. Quezon. The name of Tayabas province is changed to Quezon. And the last part is Rizal. Rizal, the new province named after Jose Rizal, the country's national hero.
Linguistic: Southern Tagalog, Filipino, Timog Katagalugan, Chabacano, and English. These are the linguistic of Calabarzon.
So we're now going to the ethnic of Calabarzon. Did you know that there are 8 ethnic of Calabarzon? Number 1, the Hanunoo. They are known for doing kaingin or Sweden farming. Number 2, the Alangans. The Alangans are mostly agriculturists or upland or the kaingin system, which is a slash and burn method of farming. Number 3, the Ratagnon. One way to distinguish Ratagnon from the 7 Mangyan tribes is through their rattan coils that are dyed red. Aside from these coils, the Ratagnon also wear accessories made of beads and copper wire. And number 4, Tao Buid. Tao Buid is mainly substances agriculturists planting a variety of sweet potato, upland, rice, and taro. And number 5, the Bangon. The Bangon are known for their pipes and even young children can be seen smoking pipes. And number 6, the Tadyawan. The Tadyawan practices Sweden agriculture similar to the other Mangyan tribes. Oftentimes, they would also venture to the lowlands to sell their harvested crops and livestock. And number 7, the Iraya. The Iraya Mangyans are one of the 8 indigenous group of Oriental Mindoro who are known for their skill of nito weaving, a unique art that celebrates their tradition and cultures. And the last one is the Buhid. The Buhid are known as potmaker, other Mangyan tribe like the Alangan and Hanunoo by their cooking pot from the Buhid. The word Buhid literally means mountain dwellers, post 1967. Next is the top site in Calabarzon. The top site in Calabarzon are Enchanted Kingdom, Tagaytay, Parish and National Shrine of St. Pedro, and more. And next is, what are the cultural practices of Calabarzon? Calabarzon is also rich in cultural tradition. Laguna is known for embroidery, wood carving, and paper mache, locally known as taka. Quezon has harvest festival and flamboyantly decorated houses. Rizal has artisan villages and art galleries. And now we will know the different festival in Calabarzon. Number 1, the Lechon Festival, which are located in Batangas. The Lechon Festival, in English, Parade of Rose Pigs, Filipino, Parada ng Lechon, is a religious and cultural festival in Balayan, Batangas, Philippines, held every June 24. And number 2 is Kawayan. Kawayan is located in Cavite, which is Kawayan Festival. Kawayan Festival is held on every 7th day of September in Maragondon, Cavite, wherein group of street dancers parade in indigenous materials. And next is Anilag Festival. Anilag Festival is located in Laguna. Anilag Festival cruise the capital city of Laguna. It lasts for a whole week. Laguna's yearly festival has increased in popularity ever since it began in 2004 and is now considered as one event that everyone highly anticipated each year. And next is Quezon Province. There are a lot of festivals in Quezon Province, but one of the most festival in Quezon Province is Niyog-Niyogan Festival. The Niyog-Niyogan Festival is part of Lucena City. The Niyog-Niyogan Festival, Quezon Province's annual event to celebrate its coconut farming, resumed after 3 years halt, bringing an average of 20,000 tourists. And the last is the Gigantes Festival, is located in Rizal. The Gigantes Festival is a local festival held annual in Abono, Rizal, Philippines, where hundreds of giant papier-mâché puppets are paraded, representing the common people's mockery of the bad hacienda, owner of the past during Spanish colonial rule.
Tara na sa Quezon, ika'y sumama na. Tara dito sa Nyug-Nyugan, itodo ang saya. Tara na sa Quezon, lugar na kay ganda. Tara dito sa Nyug-Nyugan, may siyang naiiba. Sa Quezon tara na. Yumugyog sayaw indak, yumugyog sayaw indak. Sa Quezon tara na, oh, sa Quezon tara na. Yumugyog sayaw indak, yumugyog sayaw indak. Isang lugar, pinagsama-sama ang kasiyahan na dala, bonggang-bongga. Pinagdiriwang ang niyog, kaya napapayugyog ang buong Quezon. Kilasang nga na umaalon, nag-uumapaw sa galak ang mga tao. Magandang tanawin at pagkain meron dito. Lugar na kumpleto, Ricardo, di mauumay dito. Babalik-balikan ng kahit sino. Tara sa Quezon, Pinoy man o dayuhan. Tara sa Nyug-Nyugan at todo ang pistahan. Tara nga sa Quezon, ika'y mabibighani. Tara sa Nyug-Nyugan.